Standard motorcycle. Standard motorcycles are the most balanced and straightforward type of bike. They are designed for everyday riding with an upright seating position, moderate power, and simple controls that make them comfortable for a wide range of riders. The design usually avoids extreme styling or specialized features, focusing instead on practicality and ease of use. Because of this, standard motorcycles are often recommended for beginners, though experienced riders also appreciate them for commuting and relaxed weekend rides. Cruiser motorcycle. Cruiser motorcycles are known for their low seat height, relaxed riding position, and long stretched appearance. The rider sits with feet forward and hands slightly raised, creating a laid-back posture that suits long, steady rides. Cruisers became especially popular in the United States after World War II and are closely associated with brands like Harley-Davidson. Their engines often produce strong low-end torque, allowing smooth acceleration without needing high speed. Sport motorcycle. Sport motorcycles are built for speed, precision, and aggressive performance. They feature powerful engines, lightweight frames, and aerodynamic bodywork designed to reduce wind resistance. The riding position leans the rider forward with higher foot peg, which improves control at high speeds and during sharp turns. These motorcycles are heavily influenced by racing technology, and many of their designs come directly from professional track competition. Touring motorcycle. Touring motorcycles are designed for long-distance travel and rider comfort over many hours on the road. They are usually large and equipped with features such as windshields, storage compartments, comfortable seats, and sometimes built-in navigation or audio system. The engines provide smooth and steady power suitable for highway cruising. Because of their size and weight, they feel most comfortable on open roads rather than tight city streets. Adventure motorcycle. Adventure motorcycles are built to handle both paved roads and rough terrain. They typically have long suspension travel, tall ground clearance, and upright riding positions that allow better visibility and control. These motorcycles are popular with riders who enjoy long journeys that may include gravel roads, dirt paths, or remote landscapes. Their design balances comfort for long rides with durability for challenging conditions. Dual sport motorcycle. Dual sport motorcycles are lightweight machines that are legally equipped for public roads but capable of serious off-road riding. They often have knobby tires, high suspension, and simple bodywork that can handle dirt, mud, and rocky trails. Compared to adventure bikes, they are smaller and more focused on off-road performance. Riders often use them to explore trails while still being able to ride to and from those locations on regular roads. Dirt bike. Dirt bikes are motorcycles built strictly for off-road riding. They are lightweight, narrow, and designed with long suspension to absorb jumps and rough terrain. Most dirt bikes are not street legal because they lack lights, mirrors, and other required equipment. Their engines are tuned for quick acceleration and responsive control, making them ideal for motocross tracks, forest trails, and desert riding. Scooter. Scooters are small motorcycles that focus on simplicity and urban convenience. They usually feature step-through frames, automatic transmissions, and smaller wheels, making them easy to ride even for beginners. Storage space is often built into the design, and fuel efficiency is usually high. In many crowded cities around the world, scooters are one of the most common forms of transportation. Cafe racer. The cafe racer motorcycles are inspired by a custom bike culture that emerged in Britain during the 1960s. Riders modified their motorcycles to be faster and lighter, often removing unnecessary parts and installing low handlebars and a single racing seat. The result is a minimalist machine designed for quick bursts of speed between city locations. Modern cafe racers often recreate that classic look while using updated engines and technology. Bobber motorcycle. Bobber motorcycles are custom bikes that focus on simplicity and stripped down styling. The term comes from the practice of bobbing, or shortening the fenders to reduce weight and create a cleaner appearance. These motorcycles usually feature minimal bodywork, solo seats, and exposed mechanical parts. The style first became popular in the United States during the mid-20th century and continues to influence custom motorcycle culture. Chopper motorcycle. Chopper motorcycles are known for their highly customized and dramatic design. Builders often extend the front forks, reshape the frame, and add artistic paint or unique metalwork. Unlike factory motorcycles, choppers are usually handcrafted or heavily modified. They became widely recognized during the 1960s and 1970s through American counterculture and motorcycle film, symbolizing freedom and individual expression. Electric motorcycle. Electric motorcycles use electric motors and rechargeable batteries instead of of traditional gasoline engines. They produce instant torques, which means quick acceleration without the noise and vibration of combustion engines. As battery technology improves, electric motorcycles are becoming more practical for both city commuting and longer rides. They represent a growing shift in the motorcycle industry toward cleaner and quieter transportation.